Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I have 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to adjust the low back support on a driver's seat. This video should apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, in case your vehicle is equipped with power seats, you will have this like a small circular button just down here on the left side of the seat, and you will see how I press it left or right. This bottom portion of the upper section of the driver's seat will move in or out. So I'm gonna press it now left. So I'm not sure if I can record this. You should be able to see now how I press these buttons left or right, how this portion of seat actually moves. Okay, now it's going out. This is all the way. And now if I keep pressing the right button, it's gonna go in all the way. And by using those two buttons you can adjust your lower back support. In case you have like manual seats, then instead of this power button you will have like a small circular screw which you have to then turn left or right to do the same thing. So that's the only difference. And with this button, you can just recline the seat left or right, but this is your low back support switch. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.